could be AM or PM. It could be middle of the week.
Well, I came to the post office, and I got some good mail, and I got some not so much good mail. Let's see, first off, I love my friend mail. Now I'm going to show you what I got. Look at what a beautiful day it is outside. A sticker! Can you see it? There we go. A sticker. Daydream about nice things. Thank you so much. I'm putting yours in the mail. Ginger, get your nose. Get out of here. God, she's got a sticker nose on everything. Why didn't that show it very good? Okay, that's better. Daydream about nice things. I will be getting yours in the mail today also. Thank you so much. Then, guess what I got? Dun, 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 dun. Where's it at? Oops, it's covered up. I told you I'm not professional. A jury summons. Oh my gosh. Oh well, I'm American. I love being an American. I'll do my duty, even if it's jury duty. Look at her. It's finally got a good day to get out. She just gets too close. Get over there. Oh, don't bark at me. Get over here in your seat. Now, stay. Sit down. Say hello to everybody. No, not this close. No. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, y'all. I will see you in a minute. I swear she knows when I turn this on. We're at Walmart. Ugh, the dreaded Walmart. I guarantee you I'm going to have a panic attack, even though I have a list. But I'm going to check out our shelves. As of last week, the Walmart here in Dickinson hadn't been affected by the whole, sickness thing. And, our shelves weren't empty or anything. So I got to pick up a few things here anyway. So I'm going to check to see if anything's changed this week. North Dakota, I think, has evaded that yucky beer sickness so far, but this is a new week, so I'm going to go check. Look at her. I swear she knows the minute I turn this camera on. She was, I was talking to her beforehand, and it didn't faze her, but the minute I turn this camera on, I tell you what, she's got to have her Mr. DeVille segment, I guess. I love you too, baby. No, don't wave at me. What are you looking at? Alrighty, y'all. I will see you in Walmart. Well, I'm in the camping section. I can't believe that they have empty shelves. Maybe some people are really gearing up. There's a lot of flashlights and stuff, but parts of the camping section are empty. Let me check over here. Okay, I gotta get Miss Ginger some more tennis balls. It's a nice day. I'm gonna try to take her to the dog park. Okay, I came over to the baby section. I personally don't use toilet paper if I don't have to. I can't stand the dryness feeling, So I go through a lot of wipes. And as you can see, there's plenty of wipes. There's still a lot of wipes, but usually this section is really, really full. So I don't know. Maybe a lot of babies been born or to be born, but or it could be the effect from the beer sickness. So, alrighty, we'll check over in the regular teepee place. Well, y'all, I guess Dickinson, North Dakota, in Walmart got hit.
boxes.
Oh, you getting more? Okay. I guess they're getting more, but they still are out. This is crazy. Last week when I was in here, it wasn't like this.
They're unloading the trucks right now.
But they do, I'm just listening to them, they do have trucks that are going to be here and unloading. So apparently the stores are trying to keep up with the need. So, alrighty, I guess North Dakota's getting hit with it too. You got your ball? We got to come to the dog park today. Kind of dry. Hey, get your ball. Get your ball. Yucky. Oops, somebody left their doggy bag right there. Golly, there's garbage over there. Get your ball. Get your ball. Bring it here. Bring it here. She has to smell. Who all's been here? Fine. I'll get her ball. Ooh, I have to get it before her, though. No, get back. Get back. 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 Sit. Stay. Okay. Oh! I bet that felt good, knothead. Back, 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 back. Okay. Get ready. I'm going to throw it. Ooh, okay, bring it here. Bring it here. Okay, we're gonna throw it again. My poor fat girl. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna play with her now. Bring it here. Ooh, she got her run on for sure. She's just a little bit tired. Oh, I miss being able to come to the dog park with her. It sure helps to run off some of her energy. You can't see. And I even took it easy on her because she hasn't had a whole lot of exercise. So, alrighty. That was nice. We will see you in a minute.